how to factory reset, hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A03S. Let's get right into it. We're going to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. And we're going to let go as soon as the Samsung logo comes on. And it should bring up the Android screen. Then we're going to use the volume button to come to wipe data factory reset. We're going to click OK with the power button. Then we're going to confirm and click OK with the power button. And we're going to look down here for data wipe complete, and that is it. We can now reboot the phone, and that's how you wipe and factory reset your Samsung A03S. Thumbs up and subscribe.